get the hiccups, buddy? Say hi. Hi. Was that a hi? What was that noise? Sadie, she wants Henry to play. Henry, what do you think, buddy? What do you think, buddy? How about you, Sadie? What do you think? Get back. Sadie, no kisses. Hey, buddy. Here's your toy. And Sadie has her toy. Of course. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Can you talk for Mama? Can you talk for Mama? Hey. Hey. Can you talk for Mama? Poor kid. I wish those hiccups would go away. I wish those hiccups would go away. Henry. 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 Can you smile for Mama? Can you smile for Mama? Can you? Can you smile for Mama? Can you? No? Not today? Oh no. Oh no. We got a little cough. Poor kid. You say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon. Can you smile? Can you smile for Mama? Can you smile for Mama? Henry. Henry.